If you've ever looked at a flower arrangement and said, "There's no way that I could do that," the Floral Society is here to say, you totally can. These floral designing kits are a workshop in a box, and each one comes with tools and a tutorial to help you make something beautiful. Maker and florist Sierra Steifman believes anyone can create a floral arrangement, so she started making these kits to prove it. Sierra distills her floristry expertise into each carefully curated box. She includes the basics, like floral tape and the same clippers she uses in her shop, along with access to an online video that walks you through the steps of putting together your own floral creation. Her frog bases are also made with easier flower arranging in mind. They make blooms stand up and stand out in a lovely looking way that is as close to effortless as you can get. Sierra's goal is to nudge folks from dreamy aspiration to hands-on realization. Open up one of her workshop boxes to open yourself up to a beautiful new experience.